Welcome to aminacademy.com. In mathematics, regarding multiple choice questions and answers for competitive exams regarding simple interest. Your simple interest formula, simple interest equal PRT upon 100, where P equal to principal amount, R equal to rate of interest per year, and T equal to time number of years. Question number 1. In what time will rupees 8,000 at 3% per annum produces the same interest as 6,000 does in 5 years at 4% interest? Here, for simple interest I, the given things is 6,000, or rate of interest is 4%, time is 5 years by 100, which gives 1,200. Here this 1,200 is simple interest, which is same as 8,000 principal for 3 years at time t. Therefore, here 1,200 is equal, P is 8,000, rate of interest 3, and time we don't know, by 100. From this we can get it, time is 1,200, cross multiplication is 100 by 8,000 into 3. So which gives 5 years. Option A. Question number 2. If a sum of money amounts to 12,900 and 14,250 at the end of 4th year and 5th year respectively at a certain rate of simple interest, then the rate of interest is, here 4th year and 5th year, your 4th year minus 5th year minus 4th year is 1 year interest. 1 year interest is 5th minus 4th year interest. 5th year is 14,250 minus 12,900, which is equal to 1,320. Now 4 year interest, 4 year interest is 4 into 1,320, which gives 5,400. Therefore, principal amount is 12,900, 12,900 minus 5,400, which is equal 7,500. This 7,500 gives a rate of interest as, therefore here I equal to PRT, PTR upon 100. This we need R equal, I is rate of interest is R gives 5,400 into 100 divided by 7,500 into 4 years, which gives 18%. Question number 3. The sum lent at 5% per annum that is 365 days. Simple interest that produces interest of rupees 2 per day is your the total interest in 1 year. Total interest 1 year is 365 days into 2 per day, which is equal 730 rupees. Now we need the sum length P equal now I equal P R T upon 100. From this we can get it P I into 100 by R into T. I is 730 into 100 by R is 5% per annum into time for 1 year. We get here 1 5s are 5, 2 23s, 4 5s are 20, 3 30 is 6, 1404, that is 14,600. Now next question, A lent 5,000 to B for 2 years and 3,000 to C for 4 years on simple interest at the same rate of the interest and received 2,200 in all from both as interest. The rate of interest per annum. Here 5,000 interest to B for 2 year into R upon 100. This is interest for to B and interest to C is 3,000 into 4 year and rate of interest we don't know by 100, which is equal to together interest 2 persons. From the 2 persons we get interest is 2,200. From this we can get it R. Now cut the zeros, then look at here, R into 50 into 2 is 100, 100 plus here 30 into 4 is 120 equal to 2,200. Then R equal to 2,200 by 220, 10% per annum. Question number 5. The sum of money at some rate of simple interest amounts to 2,900 in 8 years and to 3,000 in 10 years. The rate of interest per annum is here. Here sum of money at some rate of interest is for 8 years and here for 2 years for 2 years interest is 3,000, 10,000 is 3,000, for 8,000 is 2,900, which is equal to 100 rupees for 2 years. Here, 100. Then interest in 10 years, therefore, interest in interest in 10 years. Interest in 2 years is 100, interest in 10 years is 500. Therefore, for 10 years we'll calculate, therefore, rate of principal 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 for 2 years is 3,000 minus 500. That is 2,500. He received money after interest in 10 years is 500. Interest in, therefore, principal amount is 3,000 minus 500 is 2,500. Therefore, rate of interest is 100 into 100 into 400 minus 2,500 into 8 years. Having 2% interest. Question number 6. A sum amount to double in 8 years by simple interest. Then rate of simple interest. Here, your sum amounts to double in 8 years. Therefore, look at principal equal to P. It amounts, that is double to P. Therefore, interest equal to amount minus principal to P minus P equal to P. Then the rate of interest per annum. Therefore, P equal to principal amount I equal to, therefore, I equal PRT upon 100. I equal to here PRT upon 100. P and P cut. Therefore, which gives RT equal to 100. RT equal to 100. Some amounts double in 8 years. Therefore, R equal to 100 over 8 equal to 12.5%. The amount of money at simple interest triples itself in 15 years. It will become 5 times of itself in. Yeah, simple interest in 15 years. In 15 years equal to triple itself 3p minus p, that is 2p. Here that means amount minus principal. Amount is 3p minus principal is minus p. 3p minus p is 2p. Then I equal to 2p equal p r t upon 100, and this NP cut. So we have r equal to 2 into 100 over r 100 over t. Two into 100 over 3 years, which gives 40 by 3 for 15 years. Or this is 15, which is given to people PR into 2 into 100 over 15. 200 over 15 is 200 over 15 is 40, 5 are 200, 40 by 3 percentages. Now the rate of interest is 40 by 3%. It will become 5 times of itself in. Therefore, now amount is, now the amount becomes 5 times the principal, that is interest is that is interest after, when it will become 5 times of itself, that is 5 times means interest is 4p, because amounts minus principal is interest. 5p minus p equal p, r is 40 by 3, time is we need by 100 here, which gives 4p equal to p into 40 into t by 3 into 100. P and p cut. So t equal to 4 into 3 into 100 over 40. That is 30 years. In 30 years it becomes 5 times. The amount becomes 5 times its principal. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.